Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are on our Garden Street project where we just completed the entire project. And now we're just sweeping and washing the walls down and wiping the floor down. We like leaving a clean job site. And since there's waterproofing in the walls, you want to make sure that they're properly waterproof. So we waterproof them anywhere between 3 to 5 days after, same way with the slab. And you can see that with this method, we excavated the entire basement while the existing house was here. As you can see, these are old beams. This house is about 15 years old, and they needed twice the living space here. And in Austin, Texas right now, the property values have gone up extremely. They're higher than anyone thought they were going to be in a long time. But the fact that the houses are closer together, there is no more room on the side, only the extension of backyards. And due to the conservation efforts here, and you're not allowed to remove the trees, so the best option in Austin is to build down, which happens to work really well for the Basement Kings. We add basements to existing houses, and with this particular house, you can actually see the piers. We excavated down through the piers and then extended them and added these ceilings are 12 and 13 foot tall, depending on which side. And we have a full size basement for the basement over here. So there's the far corner, and we've extended the plumbing, which made it possible for the homeowners to not have to go get a place while we were excavating. The homeowners lived in their house like normal while we did all the work to this entire project. And the very back, we had to remove the pier down there where you see the steel beam. It turns out the pier didn't go down like it was supposed to and offer the proper support. So anything that's not the way it's supposed to be, we fix it while we're there. So we put in a steel I-beam and tied it in, which made it to where it could carry all the weight for the rear of the home. And we were going to clean the piers to where they look brand new, but they liked the look of the waterproofing, showing that that is the actual pier that was holding up the house. So this project was also a little bit unique for the fact that they wanted the back portion of it to open into a patio and a drain system in the very back. So as you notice, there's brown material around the walls. We sealed the floor as well as the walls, and the walls have been waterproofed and sealed. You will notice there's no ties sticking out of the walls. And if you're not sure what that is, see those little metal spikes down at the very bottom of the edge? All those were sticking out of the wall. Every time that a wall is poured with forms, that is going to be the case. They're going to be sticking out, and they're the #1 leak point in Texas, and many contractors still leave them in, even when they finish. They think that it's completed and it's not. And we have 2 floor ports, clean out ports inside. There's one here, and then one at the far back. And we have one here in front, just for an emergency with a knockout plate right here. So now that you've seen it, and you've seen our drains, and you've seen our system, we are done for the day.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.